died in diverculitis, who will taking care of the government of the Philippines? If Bongbong Marcos died, I supposed to be I'm the one who will I will taking over the government. That's why you remember Tanggol says if he was taken over as a mayor of Manila, he will erase all the corruption. Oh, and I should be president of the Philippines. If I was saying from Mami Ellen Olea, she said to me, pwede ka na maging kandidato o matulad ka ni Kiko Barsaga at ni was that Leandro Libiste. Oh, and I will taking care of the government. I will take over the Philippines. I will become a president of the Philippines someday. Oh. And to those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos who want to bash me, or you know, I will prohibited all the Marcos loyalists and limit how to use social media. Oh, and then all the corruption in the Philippines will be brutal and torture. And I will shoot them a pellet gun. Oh, I will become a president of the Philippines. Do you know that Manuel Luis Antonio said so? If Bongbong Marcos died, he will taking over the government. Oh, if he taken the government, oh, he will become a president of the Philippines someday. When I was told by Franco Morales, pag naging pangulo si Manuel Luis Antonio, he will become what is that? Corruption free in the Philippines. No corruption. Oh. That will be happen. Oh. Or maybe not aside with Manuel Luis Antonio become a president of the Philippines, it will be Sara Duterte become a president of the Philippines. Oh. It's simple. Oh, you know guys, I said to to those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos who want to steal my Bluetooth earphone, even you, Dan Mardayaw. Dan Mardayaw, I say again, may sakit po si BBM. Oh, he has diverculitis. He has a stage 4 colon cancer. That is really happened to Uncle Eugene. When Nanay Ningning said to me, when I called Nanay Ningning in Skype, she said to me, what happened to Uncle Eugene? No, he's already dead. Oh, he died in diverculitis. Last 2011, that was June, right? I was not there in CDIFI. I was there in CDIFI for almost 17 years. I was with Teacher Joy. I was with Ate Rona or Ate Dina. Oh, I know what's really happening is... you know those Marcos loyalists who are fake Filipinos? Remember, you know what happened to Uncle Eugene, He died in diverculitis, colon cancer. This is really be happened to Bongbong Marcos. Oh, I say again that Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. has a diverculitis. He is a similar from his father, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Oh, if Bongbong Marcos died in diverculitis, there will be no president of the Philippines who will taking over the government. Who will taking over the government? Sara Duterte. Oh, who will taking care of our oil price hike when there is a war in Middle East between Iran and Israel? Who will handle the oil price hike? Sara Duterte. That's why the Dutertes are very strong rather than the Marcoses. Oh. They are strong, rough, tough, and rogue. They never steal money. Hindi sila nagnakaw ng pera. Oh, like I said, those Marcoses are very weak. They steal money to the Filipino people. Ninakaw ang pera sa kaban ng bayan. So, what's the reason the Marcoses are the greatest robbery of the government? It just happening. You know, I mean, I fell asleep too. I just cleaned my PS4. I cleaned my PS4 right there. It looks not dirty as well. You know, to those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, listen to the source of the news from Banat Bay. All the truth anyway is from Banat Bay. All the truth it was from the source. Like I said before, unlike Teacher May is very sick, may sakit siya ng pneumonia, she was recovered from hospital, unlike Bongbong Marcos, he is very sick, may sakit po si PBBM, and I've said before, he has diverticulitis. It seems likely his last appearance, he was appear in Araw ng Kagitingan or the Day of Baylor. He was still alive, and you see that Bongbong Marcos, he feel weak, he feel collapse, and he was rushed to the hospital, to the St. Luke's with the presidential helicopter, and Bongbong Marcos had brought to the hospital in the St. Luke's, and he was confined in the hospital. That's why the truth was, at least Miggy Labitag was right. Bongbong Marcos has diverticulitis. You are wrong, Romeo TV Vlog.